In this video, we head to Dubuque, Iowa to get our RV interior upgraded. Stay tuned.
It's a blessed adventure. It's a blessed adventure.
Well, the day started out with a bang. We started to leave for Dubuque, Iowa, and ended up having a party at the dump station because Karen and Glenn blew a 40-foot hydraulic line on their RV. So we spent the day out in the dump station running a line from the front all the way to the back and ended up not getting to start till the next day. As you see in the picture, the RV sits there in the background. That's the dump station. It was on a Sunday on a holiday weekend, and the Lord came through again. We was able to find a gentleman to come out to work on the RV, and then we was able to find someone that knew someone that had a hydraulic shop that was able to make us a hose, and we were able to run to their house, pick it up, bring it back, and get it installed, all on a Sunday holiday weekend. That was only the Lord's work. And then we were off to Iowa.
So we just pulled in to Iowa at a place called Bauer Rv Upholstery. There's Spice right there. There's David. And there's Karen and Glenn's coach. We all came here to get some furniture upholstery work done.
You need to show them our luxury indoor furniture that we have.
I'm going to show you
Might be.
our luxury furniture we're having right now. Maybe everybody in RV land might like to try having furniture like this. Yeah, so we're going to get... Sorry, it's looking a little bit messy right now because things are not quite put away and we've been in travel mode. But we're going to get a new recliner put there. And then we're going to get our captain chairs covered and our couch covered. Yes, and I got my new chairs back there at the kitchen, dining room, and I'll have to show you when we get everything done, but I wanted to cover them while we was traveling. So, we shall see. We'll show you the aftermath.
This is what was in the space before and what is being replaced.
And as we were pulling in to Bauer, we were, of course, getting parked, and, you know, we had to back into here, as you saw. We saw some people standing out there looking as we were walking in, and Karen went up to them, started talking first because they were parked first. And here it was people who have watched our YouTube channel. So it's always so exciting to meet people.
James and Dina.
Okay.
James and Dina. So we just pulled in and got to meet. They have a wonderful Dutch star here, like Karen and Glenn. And there's David. We got to meet them. It's wonderful to meet our YouTube subscribers. We love it. So we're so glad we're going to get to visit with them. So how long have you all been RVing?
For years.
I don't know,
2002, something like
Are you full-time?
that. No, ma'am. We are
So
part-time.
part-time. So, okay. Well, we're going to sit out here and visit with them and enjoy the company.
They just got their furniture done too. They
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and it really looks nice. So we're hoping that ours turns out just as good as theirs.
So where are you guys headed now?
Starting to head back to Virginia in the morning.
Oh, okay.
We're going to Indiana. We're going to Indiana RV Museum.
Okay.
While we were in Dubuque waiting for our RV interior to be done, we stopped by Roses and Berries, where every dish blossoms with flavor. This is a place that the girls found as one of the nice places to check out for some local eatery, and the place was awesome. They had beautiful baked goods. The interior of the place was just set up really nice. The girls really enjoyed it. We got to go in and check out all the pastries that they make on a daily basis, check out the beautiful interior, and then take part in some of their fabulous lunch. We decided to visit this place a couple times while we were here since it was so good, and take part in a little of the baked goods, and like I said, in some of the lunch. Also, they had amazing coffees and teas and chocolates, and we took part of some of the beautiful tasting quiche that they made. So wanted you to see, if you're in the area, you might want to check out Roses and Berries, because we enjoyed it the whole time we were there, and we would definitely go back if we're in the area to check it out again.
So you got in, pulled the cord, told them you were ready, and up we go.
Like we're in Quebec City. That's pretty cool. I'd like to ride the one up the
And here's the one coming down, so that's what it looks like.
It's past at the little after they get to the Y. Once you got to the top of the Fennellen Place elevator, this is your view from up top. We also wanted to show you what one of the cars looked like from up top. This was a pretty neat ride and a pretty place to stop and visit. The Fennellen Place elevator is considered to be the world's shortest and steepest railroad. It was developed by a local banker who lived at the top of the hill, and he liked going home in the afternoons to take a nap for lunch, but it would take him over an hour and a half to drive from downtown up to the top of a hill to his house. So he created the Fennellen Place elevator, and that's what he used as his daily transit up and down the hill to work and back home for lunch to take a nap every day, until it was sold and now is ran by the city. Another cool place that you can stop when you're in the Dubuque area is to take a stroll along the Mississippi Riverwalk. It's a beautiful little area located off of downtown, where you can take in some beautiful views on a nice day and just check out the water along the Mississippi Riverwalk.
So after a couple days of waiting, Bauer completed the work in here on our furniture, and after 5 months at least of our window coverings riding around on the couch, because I didn't want to put them up until we got the furniture, and David put them up for me. We'll now show you how it turned out. I'm going to flip around the camera and show you.
If you look right there,
Oh yeah,
there's
got a little sneak peek.
There's a sneak peek. So we're very happy the way it turned out. So we'll flip the camera around and show you what the results look like.
So here are the new window coverings. I was very, very pleased. The colors turned out really pretty. And well, you can't really see, we'll show you over here, this part, they call this the leg part. And if you're a Tiffin owner, you know that that's wood underneath there. And it's pretty much a design like this, but I wanted a little more light, like I said before, probably in my other videos. So they covered it with a beautiful, it has like a what do you want to say, gold shimmer in it that reminds me of sand. So, and this reminded me of like water. And then got chairs, and I painted the chairs, or David painted the chairs, or we both painted the chairs. And we're going to get cushions for those. So to go along a little bit more with the beachy theme. So then over here, you get a little more look at the window coverings, and then here is the love seat that Bauer put in. Recliner love seats. And I will say, when I initially walked in, I was in shock. Even though we pick out the fabric color, you know how they send you that little square swatch to pick from? And we picked this out really liking color because I like light. But I was in shock when I walked in because, you know, when you get a big swatch of it, it looks totally different. And the first initial just shocked me. And it asked, David can tell you, it took me a couple days really to even sit on the furniture. That's how much shock I was in. It almost scared me, it was like keeping it clean.
But what do you think so far?
Oh, I really, really like it. I really like it. And then Bauer explains to you about keeping it clean or wiping it, and that it's no big deal. It's no, you know, stress about it at all. And then this is the captain's chairs, and they recovered our captain's chairs and did a fabulous job of the captain's chairs. And here's the other chair. So they did very, very well. The stitching's very well. Just the arm covers, they did, I mean, everything is very, very professional. Now, the only thing I will say, I was a little disappointed they forgot to put our Tiffin emblem in the seat. And they would have had to take it all apart and start all over.
So they offer that as an option?
Yes, you can get the Tiffin emblem in your seat.
And
So
they just happened to not get ours put in, and so to redo it, we would have had to have them spend basically another whole day.
yeah.
And then
They recovered the sofa.
and that's the original sleeper sofa, just recovered, and we're very happy.
Very happy. So everything turned out wonderful. So very pleased. And one thing about Bauer, you know, Karen and Glenn were with us also, and they got their captain's chairs recovered and their couch recovered.
Yeah, captain chairs and couch.
Captain chairs and so they have a Newmar, so you don't have to have a Tiffin. So they will do any RV.
Well, it has to be the furniture flex steel. They'll do any flex steel.
Any flex steel.
Any
That's
flex
right.
steel furniture, they'll recover.
Yes.
So if you have flex steel furniture in your RV, no matter what kind of RV you have, they can fix you up and take care of you and make you look good.
And variety of colors. I mean, they let you choose from a nice, and they send you the swatches and different type of fabrics and stuff. Because Karen and Glenn's actually is black.
Right.
So
they kept with their original color.
they kept with their original color. And one of these days, I will show you Karen's. I just had not had a chance yet to video hers because we've been moving. So one of these days, I'm going to show you their coach because they did a fabulous job for them.
Yes. So thanks to Bauer Upholstery, our
Give them a call.
RV is looking good. Not only Bauer Upholstery, but to my lovely wife who picked out and designed our beautiful interior.
No.
And it was taken care of by Lindsey and Winchester.
He gets a little worried sometimes when I pick out fabrics and stuff.
I was on board the whole time. On board.
No, he went, I don't know, Kim. I don't know. I was like, it reminds you of water. It's going to look great.
It actually turned
out very nice.
Yeah. We almost forgot to show you the bedroom, so you can see what it turned out. You see the valances and the thing, and we also put that same material on our headboard.
And that is another thing that's nice is I purchased extra fabric from Lindsey and Winchester, and I recovered the headboard. So that's another thing that's so nice. And they also made pillows out of that fabric for us.
Which we're on the couch.
Yes,
you've
on the
seen
couch,
in the other part of it.
Yes. So they'll make pillows, do all kinds of stuff for you.
And
we found out Tiffin has a rally few times a year, and this rally was going to be pirates and beach. So they featured us on their flyer for their advertisement. So we were pretty excited about that.
You see, that's our bedroom, our living room there, our dining room, and there's our love seat and our couch.
Because we have a beach themed RV, so, and I like the lighter colors we painted. I like more of the beachy theme. Everybody has a different theme they enjoy doing, and that's what we did. So it made the cover. So we were pretty excited about that. Thank you, Lindsey and Winchester.
And they said that our coach was the most viewed most viewed pictures on their Facebook page, which they got the most comments of how well they liked it. So thanks to Lindsey and Winchester.
And if you have any questions about Bauer or Lindsey and Winchester, we are more than happy to help you.
So we hope you enjoyed the video of our RV upgrades, and we hope you continue to follow along, because there's more Noel's Blessed Adventures to come. Like we say, thank you for watching. Share it with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed, push that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can know when we post the next video. Thank you, and have a blessed day from Noel's Blessed Adventures.